Hey Mac users, I'm Jonathan. In today's video, I'll show you how to detect and remove Akamai.net from Mac. Is it a virus? What should you do to relieve your Mac from it? Keep watching to find out. But first, let's see what Akamai.net is. Akamai is a content delivery platform used by some of the world's biggest tech companies to stream audio and video and host downloads. It's not a virus or malware itself. Still, there are browser hijackers that exploit Akamai hosting. That means that their URLs have Akamai.net in them. As a result, Akamai has become wrongly associated with malware, especially the browser hijacker called Akamai.net redirect. This type of malware changes the default browser settings without users' permission. It also redirects search results to the ones controlled by online criminals. This way, they can track your browser-related data, such as your IP address, browser history, and search queries. The browser hijacker displays pop-up ads designed to trick you into clicking on them. What's worse, this might bring more threats to your computer. But how did Akamai.net get into your Mac? Well, there are three methods of distributing browser hijackers: bundling, malicious browser extensions, fake warning pop-ups. Bundling is the main technique used to infect devices with malware. To avoid getting any malicious apps into your Mac, pay attention to what you agree to install. Instead of rushing the process by skipping steps, always opt for the custom or advanced installation. Now you know from where Akamai.net came. Let's see how to defeat it for good. I'll show you a faster, automatic way first. Then we'll move forward to a detailed manual removal guide. To eliminate any malicious items related to Akamai.net, I recommend using a dedicated anti-malware app. Luckily, there are lots of tools to try out. Notarized by Apple, CleanMyMac X offers a malware scan that detects any Mac-specific viruses and lets you defeat them in a few clicks. Here's how it works. First, download CleanMyMac X. You can do that absolutely for free. Find the download link in the description box below. Once done, install and launch the app. Next, go to the Malware Removal tab in the sidebar and press Scan. If CleanMyMac X doesn't find anything, great. You have no malware on your Mac. If it does, press Remove to get rid of the culprit. Now your Mac will run as good as new again. Deleting malicious files with CleanMyMac X is as easy as pie. Still, if you prefer manual removal, here are some steps for you to follow. First, you need to delete the host app and all malicious components rooted on your Mac. To do that, go to your Applications folder. Find the app you downloaded just before you noticed the redirects to Akamai.net and drag it to the trash. Next, head over to the Go menu in the Finder and choose Go to Folder. In the box that appears, paste each of the following locations one at a time and press Go. Check each folder for any files that have Akamai.net in them. If you find any, drag them to the trash. Now it's time to check your browser for malicious browser extensions and remove them. Here's how to do that for Safari, Chrome, and Firefox. Let's start with Safari. Launch it and click on the Safari menu, then press Preferences. Select Extensions. If you see any you didn't choose to install, select them one at a time and choose Uninstall. To delete malicious extensions from Chrome, launch it, paste this line into the address bar, and hit Enter. Look for any extensions that seem suspicious. If you find any, press Remove next to it. Finally, it's time for Firefox. Open it and navigate to About:/Addons. As you did with Safari and Chrome, check for any extensions that look out of place. If you find one, select it and click on the three dots next to the right of its name. Finally, press Remove. Well done! For all three browsers, you have to reset your preferred homepage and search engine as well. By the way, CleanMyMac X has a privacy module that can help you remove all the items stored on your Mac after browser use. Now you know how to get rid of the browser hijacker. But how to avoid being hijacked? In fact, vigilance is the key. Never download software from peer-to-peer networks or websites that offer their own download managers. Don't click on suspicious pop-ups and ads, as well as links and emails, unless you certainly know where it leads. Keep your operating system and software regularly updated. To play it safe, use a reliable anti-malware tool with real-time protection. That's all for today, folks. I'm really hoping this video helps you defeat the browser hijacker with ease. If you like it, make sure to give the thumbs up. Want to get the latest Mac tips? Subscribe and hit the bell button. And don't forget to check out the description box for links and extra details. See you soon!